Hey, what's up, AI fam? Tupiaz here. I have to tell you, for the past few weeks, I've been obsessed with generating free AI videos, but there was one huge problem. The quality was just meh, 720p at best. But what if I told you I found a crazy simple, step-by-step trick to not just turn those free, low-res clips into stunning 4K masterpieces, but also to make those annoying watermarks completely vanish? It's like having a Hollywood studio in your pocket. And the best part? You can do this even if you've never edited a video in your life. Stay with me till the very end because the part about the watermark removal is so smooth, it's practically magic. Now, before we dive into the matrix of AI video generation, here's a quick reminder. If you're serious about finding the next level AI tools that can seriously save you time and boost your income, make sure you smash that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of my deep dives. And seriously, watch this whole video. Trust me, skipping even one small detail, especially later on, could make you miss out on something super valuable. So, what are we doing today? We're going from a simple text idea to a professional, watermark-free, ready-to-post 4K clip for YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you share your genius. We'll start with the free video creation, then we'll move on to the real game changer, the 4K upscaling and the magic watermark removal. No complicated editing skills needed, I promise. This is a step-by-step tutorial just like I'm showing my best friend. Ready to create some magic? Let's jump right in. First things first, let's get our low-resolution base video. For this, I'm using a platform called Queen. If you've never used it, you'll just need to go to their site and quickly sign up or log in. It's super fast. Once you're logged in, you'll land on this clean, simple dashboard. See that More option on the menu? Go ahead and click that, and then you're going to select Video Generation. This is where we feed the AI our idea. Now, for my example, I want to create something epic, so I'm typing in a detailed prompt. A cybernetic Valkyrie in sleek, matte black and gold tactical armor with mechanical wings spread out, standing on the edge of a rainy skyscraper rooftop overlooking a dystopian metropolis with pink and teal holographic billboards, wielding a crackling red laser spear. Remember, the more descriptive you are, the better the result. After your prompt is ready, choose your aspect ratio. I'll stick with 16:9 for YouTube. And then hit Generate. Give the AI just a few seconds to work its magic.
All right, check this out. The AI delivered exactly what I asked for. This looks cool, but let's be honest. Look closely at the details. The quality is a bit grainy, maybe 720p or even less. If you try to post this on YouTube or a big screen, it's going to look unprofessional and fuzzy. Have you ever run into that problem? It's the biggest hurdle with free AI video generators. This is where we bring in the real star of the show. We need a way to take this clip and perfectly sharpen every single detail. For that, I use Wondershare UniConverter. Think of it as your all-in-one AI video toolkit. It's not just an editor, it's a resolution enhancer, a noise reducer, a watermark eraser, and a multi-video processor all rolled into one program. Seriously, it's like having a mini editing studio on your desktop.
Okay, so first, you'll want to download and install UniConverter from their official site. I'll make sure to drop the link in the description below so you don't have to search for it. Once it's installed and you open it up, you'll see this super modern dashboard full of powerful tools. Look for the AI Lab section, or sometimes it's under Video. We're going to click on Video Enhancer. This is our magic button. Now, simply click Add File, or just drag and drop that low-resolution warrior video we just made. Inside the enhancer, you have a few options: quality restoration, face enhancement, denoiser. For this epic scene, I'm choosing quality restoration. This AI model will automatically sharpen details, get rid of that annoying noise or grain, and seriously boost the resolution up to glorious 4K. Look, you can even check this little box right here and get a quick 3-second preview before committing to the full video. That's a huge time saver. When everything looks good, just click Export All down here and let the software analyze and restore every single frame. And boom, just like that, our video is a stunning, crisp 4K masterpiece. Pro tip, if you have a ton of clips, UniConverter can handle up to 20 videos at once. Seriously, talk about automating your content creation.
Okay, so we've got stunning 4K quality, but what about that pesky watermark? You know, that little text or logo that can instantly kill a professional look. Do you know how easy it is to remove them with AI now? Seriously, forget those old blurry methods. Go back to the main UniConverter dashboard and find the Watermark Remover tool. Click it and add your video again. This is important. Make sure you choose the AI model for the best, most natural-looking results, especially if the watermark is large or complex. You'll see a selection box. Carefully drag it over the watermark, adjusting it to cover the logo precisely. Once you've got it locked, click Export. The AI analyzes the area, intelligently fills in the background, and poof! Watermark gone. The background restoration is so smooth, no one will ever know it was there. This is a must-have tool for any serious content creator.
And that is literally it, my friends. We went from creating a free, low-res AI video to upgrading it to a stunning 4K resolution and erasing the watermark like total pros. Now you can easily take your content quality to the highest level, making sure your videos always stand out from the crowd. If this video saved you time and money, please do me a huge favor. Give this video a thumbs up so YouTube knows to share it with more content creators. Subscribe to Tupia's Review AI for more powerful, money-making AI tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments below, what's the next AI tool you want me to break down? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.